Welcome to this beautifully designed two-bedroom modern home, thoughtfully crafted to combine comfort, elegance, and functionality, all set within a 220 square meter space. From the very first glance, the house makes a bold statement. The exterior features crisp white walls accented with sleek black marble horizontal detailing, creating a striking contemporary look. As you step into the home, you are welcomed by a spacious corridor measuring 5.5 by 3.5 meters. The ceiling is fitted with elegant strip lighting that runs along its length, complemented by spotlights placed above the window and garage gate area. This thoughtful lighting design creates a warm and inviting pathway into the heart of the home. Moving further into the home, we arrive at the kitchen, sized at 3.4 by 3.3 meters. This U-shaped kitchen is designed for both efficiency and style, featuring elegant marble countertops and ample storage with both upper and lower cabinets. At the center sits a functional kitchen island with seating for two, ideal for casual meals or morning coffee. Above it, hanging lights add both style and focused illumination. The kitchen is fully equipped with a cooker, fridge, ceramic sink, and a dedicated wine counter, making it a perfect space for both everyday cooking and entertaining. Next, we step into the master bedroom, measuring 3.6 by 4 meters. This private retreat is designed with comfort in mind. A large window allows natural light to brighten the room, while a soft carpet adds warmth underfoot. The room features a wardrobe, a television, and a combination of hanging square ceiling lights and bedside pendant lighting, creating a cozy yet modern ambience. Connected to the master bedroom is a customized ensuite bathroom measuring 2.1 by 1.9 meters. It includes a shower area, toilet, and sink, all thoughtfully arranged to maximize space while maintaining a clean and elegant look. The second bedroom, sized at 3.5 by 3.2 meters, offers a flexible and inviting space. It features a modern bed with extra pillows for added comfort, a stylish side table, and decorative wallpaper that adds personality to the room. There is also ample storage space for clothes, making it ideal for children, guests, or even a home office setup. A square LED ceiling light ensures the room remains bright and welcoming. An additional bathroom measuring 3.2 by 1.9 meters. This space is fitted with a shower, sink, and toilet, all finished with elegant marble detailing. A towel holder and strip lighting complete the design, ensuring both practicality and style. The garage, measuring approximately 5 by 3.2 meters, provides enough space for one car. With easy access from both outside and the seating room, it adds convenience and security to the home. This thoughtfully designed two-bedroom home offers a perfect balance of modern style, comfort, and efficient use of space. Every detail, from the lighting to the layout, has been carefully considered to create a warm and functional living environment. If you enjoyed this home tour, please consider subscribing for more beautiful designs like this. Feel free to share this video with others who might love it, and we'd really appreciate hearing your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us create more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.